What if I told you that you can level up your business and add a crazy amount of value to it without buying a camera, without buying any one individual product, and still have visuals that make it look like you got a full production team behind it? I got you. I found the plug. Come on. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can add value to your business using Pacdora. This will all help anyone who's a freelancer, a designer, an artist, a regular brand owner, all people who are trying to make themselves look official within their business. Here's what we're going to get into for this video. I'm going to give you 4 smart strategic ways to use Pacdora in your business. Then I'm going to show you a quick demo to see how Pacdora works in action. Then I'm going to give you a strategy that you can actually use to make more money or look more premium within your business. First though, what even is Pacdora? Okay, let me break it down real quick. Pacdora is a browser-based program that allows you to create 3D packaging mockups fast, okay? It's a simple drag and drop program, and again, it's browser-based, so you can use it within your internet browser, so you don't have to download anything to your computer, okay? So that's the beauty of it. It's not going to take up any space on your computer, all right? So it's incredibly stress-free. It's an amazing program to use if you're a beginner. You don't have to sit there and try to 3D model things in a program like Maya or Blender, because Pacdora has it all built in for you. So let's get into the good stuff. Mockups are more than just mockups, okay? People always treat mockups like the final sprinkle on top for their projects, but the mockup can be the actual product, okay? So if you're selling something online and you don't have a physical inventory yet, then this is perfect for you, because you don't have to think about going out and getting a photographer, paying them, I don't know, $200, $300, $400, $500, waiting on them to edit the samples, send them over to you. Anybody got time for that? Okay, so using mockups, this is your actual product photography, okay? So let's say you sell candles, you might sell soaps, I don't know, hot sauce, whatever, okay? So you don't want to do a full photo shoot every single time, and maybe you even want to switch up packaging, or you might get an idea later and you're like, dang, I already did this whole photo shoot and I don't want to have to pay this person again. So Pacdora gives you instant visuals that make everything look polished and professional. So these are the images that you can throw on your website, your Etsy page, your Instagram page, just whatever you want to do. And again, it's instant. It's just drag and drop. So you don't have to worry about a camera, a photographer, a lighting setup, and no kind of props or anything. Just a vibe, okay? So you just pick a vibe through your design, drag and drop it, and then you're good. To all my creatives, this is how you upcharge. Now, if you're a designer, a creative, a strategist, or anyone who has to send off deliverables to a client, then this part is for you. So if you want to raise your rates, then just show people their stuff in context. So you don't want to just always get your design and just show it to them on just a blank white screen, right? So imagine if you have your design and you have it on just like this, right? But maybe you want to put it on a shirt. Maybe you want to have it like, you know, on a notebook or something like that. So show your stuff in context. And you don't want to just say, here's your logo, but also here's your logo on a shipping box. Here's your logo on a product pouch, a coffee cup, some kind of merch, a branded sticker sheet, you know? So that's not extra fluff, but it's actual perceived value, all right? And it really helps to have your clients to see their idea come to life. So you can offer this as an add-on, or you can even include it into your product service as your signature touch, okay? So your premium work, it should look premium. You don't want to just show this beautiful idea on something like this, you know? So actually put it on something. And Pacdora, it really helps you to do that. And you actually don't even need to have anything like Photoshop or Illustrator or Affinity Designer. So if you want to use a free program like Canva, you can. So you can go on Canva, use the free version, make your design, export it, and then just drag and drop it into Pacdora, and then you're good. Me as an educator, I love when I'm able to give my students tools that are beginner friendly. So Pacdora is beginner friendly too, okay? So if you're new to all of this, don't worry. So this is how simple it is. I have this simple label design, okay? Nothing crazy. So I uploaded it into Pacdora. And they have all of these different templates that you can look through, all these different mockups and stuff. And I picked a template, and all you got to do is just adjust the placement of your design, and boom. Now I've got a high quality mockup, and it's ready to post or send to a client, okay? So it just depends on what it is that your purpose is. And even if you don't call yourself a designer, this tool, like using Pacdora, it can help you look like you are a professional, okay? So, and that really matters when you're trying to build trust online. So here are 4 smart ways to use Pacdora. Number 1, you can use product images for your website or for Etsy. So let's say you make your designs in here and you can save the image. You can even save the image at different angles. So notice how you're able to animate your mock-up in here. So that's pretty cool too. So you're gonna have people thinking that you hired somebody to do this, or maybe you sat there in a 3D modeling program and you sat there and keyframed everything. So it's really simple, okay? Because a lot of people, they don't know about this. Like I'm really giving you the plug right now. Like, listen to me. You can also use it for branded client presentations, okay? Or pitch decks. And I love using Pacdora for this purpose because, again, it helps your client or your potential client to see your idea coming to life so they can actually visualize it. Because imagine if I'm sitting here trying to explain a movie to you without visuals. You're gonna be like, what? You know, like it's hard for some people to visualize something if they don't actually see it. So using this for presentations or pitch decks, perfect. Next, social media content. Okay, that's a given. It's easy. So having scroll stopping content will definitely help you to stand out more on social media. And also, no one's going to be having this stuff. Like, because of how easy Pacdora is, it's really easy for you to throw your design into it and just go off and just make a whole bunch of pieces of content instead of someone else over here who has to sit there and spend hours or days or weeks trying to 3D model something and then animate it. Okay, so you're already ahead of the game because you're using Pacdora. So next we have you can use visuals for digital products. Now this is really important to me. If you're someone who has made an ebook, or maybe you're promoting an ebook service, then you don't want to just scroll through a PDF of your ebook, right? Because I need it in my brain. I need like that visual in my brain of it being an actual book. Even though it's an electronic book, it's digital, still having it on a mock-up that looks like an actual book just helps to make it look a lot more premium, okay? Because you might think, yeah, I have this perfect product, but depending on how you package it, it can make you stand out from the next guy. Okay, so listen to me. All right, so you can definitely use Pacdora for things like ebooks or any other kind of templates that you might want to use. Here's my last tip for my fellow service providers. So you can literally offer a mock-up creation as a mini service on its own. So please do not sleep on this. This is like the easiest thing you can do because you don't even have to actually design anything for real. So there are people out there who are having packaging designs with no visuals. Okay, so this is where you come in. So let's say if you already use something like Canva, then you can throw Pacdora in the mix and now you've got yourself a low lift service and you can sell it. Okay, so you can use Pacdora and you can bundle all of this and you can offer it as a bundle, or you can offer it as just like a one-off thing. And it just depends on whatever works for you. So you can offer them separately actually, just to give your clients a lot more options. So when you do this, again, you don't even have to design anything really. Your client probably already has another designer that they use to make their actual designs, and they're going to give it to you to put it in Pacdora, and then they're probably thinking that you're sitting there 3D modeling it and then you just give it to them. So that one service, it's a service. Okay, so have I convinced you yet? Do you want to use Pacdora yourself? Yeah. Okay, so just use my link and my discount code. Okay, I have it right here, and I'll also have it in the description. But yeah, so if you made it this far, you know, I already gave you the sauce. Okay, so don't act brand new. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see next. Okay, so just let me know what other videos you want me to see next, and I'll definitely get on it for you guys. And yeah, so once again, I'm Jatara. You're welcome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.